2026 BMW i7 belongs firmly in that category. This isn't simply a car designed to take you from one destination to another. It's a rolling showcase of everything BMW believes the future of luxury mobility should be. The moment you see the 2026 BMW i7, you immediately recognize that this is no ordinary sedan. Its presence is commanding without being excessive. The proportions are elegant, the lines are clean, and every detail appears carefully crafted to communicate prestige and innovation. Walking toward the front of the vehicle, the first thing that grabs your attention is the signature BMW kidney grille. Even though the i7 is fully electric, the grille remains an important design element. It serves as both a visual centerpiece and a housing unit for advanced sensors and cameras that support the vehicles. Driver assistance systems. Flanking the grille are BMW's sophisticated crystal-inspired LED lighting elements. The daytime running lights create a futuristic signature that is instantly recognizable from a distance. At night, the lighting system transforms the entire front fascia into a work of art. The hood stretches elegantly toward the windshield, creating a sense of length and luxury. Every surface appears smooth and aerodynamic, helping improve efficiency while maintaining the commanding appearance. Expected from BMW's flagship sedan, the i7 demonstrates remarkable balance. The long wheelbase creates exceptional interior space while giving the car a graceful silhouette. Flush door handles contribute to aerodynamic efficiency while adding a modern touch. The premium alloy wheels are available in multiple designs, ranging from sophisticated luxury-focused options to sportier configurations. Depending on the trim level, wheel sizes can extend up to 21 inches, enhancing both appearance and road presence. The character lines running along the body are subtle yet effective. Rather than relying on aggressive styling, BMW has chosen refinement and elegance. This approach gives the i7 a timeless quality that will likely remain attractive for years to come. At the rear, the design continues to impress. Slim LED taillights stretch horizontally across the vehicle, emphasizing its width and creating a premium appearance. The rear bumper integrates seamlessly into the overall design. While aerodynamic elements help improve efficiency at higher speeds, opening the doors reveals an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional automobile. The cabin immediately surrounds occupants with premium materials, advanced technology, and extraordinary attention to detail. Soft leather covers the seats, dashboard, and door panels. Fine wood trims, polished metal accents, and ambient lighting combine to create an environment that feels both modern and welcoming. The front seats offer an incredible range of adjustments: heating, ventilation, massage functions, memory settings, and power adjustments ensure that drivers and passengers can find their perfect seating position. Long journeys become significantly more enjoyable thanks to the exceptional comfort provided by these seats. Directly in front of the driver sits BMW's curved display system. This advanced setup combines a digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment screen beneath a single glass panel. The display is sharp, responsive, and beautifully integrated into the dashboard. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, including navigation instructions, vehicle performance data, battery status, driver assistance information, and more. Drivers can tailor the display according to their preferences. The central infotainment system serves as the command center for the vehicle. Navigation, entertainment, climate controls, communication functions, and vehicle settings can all be accessed through the intuitive interface. Wireless, Apple, CarPlay, and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. Multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging pads ensure that devices remain powered throughout every journey. One of the most impressive features of the 2026 BMW i7 is the available theater screen. This massive rear entertainment display folds down from the roof and transforms the rear cabin into a private cinema. Passengers can enjoy movies, streaming services, presentations, and multimedia content on a screen that rivals many home entertainment systems. The rear seats themselves are extraordinary. Executive lounge seating transforms the rear compartment into a first-class travel experience. Extended legroom, reclining functionality, massage features, heating, ventilation, and premium materials create an environment of exceptional comfort. Ambient lighting plays a major role in the cabin experience. Multiple color options allow occupants to customize the mood according to their preferences. At night, the interior takes on an almost futuristic atmosphere. The panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of spaciousness. Natural light floods the cabin during the day, while optional lighting effects create a unique experience after sunset. Performance is another area where the BMW i7 excels. Depending on the chosen variant, the vehicle can deliver remarkable levels of power. Electric motors provide instant torque, resulting in effortless acceleration. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system continuously monitors traction and distributes power where it is needed most, whether accelerating from a standstill or navigating challenging weather conditions. The system helps maintain stability and confidence. Acceleration is astonishing for a vehicle of this size. High-performance versions can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. The experience feels smooth and effortless thanks to the instant torque delivery of the electric powertrain. Despite its performance capabilities, the i7 remains exceptionally quiet. The absence of a traditional combustion engine allows occupants to enjoy an environment of remarkable serenity. Battery technology has advanced significantly, and the i7 benefits from BMW's latest innovations. A large battery pack provides impressive driving range, allowing owners to complete daily commutes and long-distance journeys with confidence. Fast charging capability reduces charging time substantially. Under optimal conditions, significant range can be added during relatively short charging sessions. This flexibility makes electric ownership more practical than ever. The suspension system deserves special recognition. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, helping deliver an exceptionally smooth ride. Rough surfaces are absorbed with remarkable effectiveness, ensuring passenger comfort. Rear-wheel steering enhances maneuverability at lower speeds, while improving stability at higher speeds. This technology makes the large sedan feel surprisingly agile in urban environments. Safety remains a top priority. The 2026 BMW i7 includes an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance systems, and automatic emergency braking all contribute to a safer driving experience. The vehicle's camera systems provide a detailed view of the surrounding environment. Parking becomes easier thanks to multiple camera angles and advanced visualization technology. Driver attention monitoring helps identify signs of fatigue and can recommend brakes when necessary. Traffic sign recognition keeps drivers informed about speed limits and road conditions. BMW's latest operating system supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring that the vehicle continues to improve throughout ownership. New features and optimizations can be delivered without requiring dealership visits. Remote vehicle management allows owners to monitor charging status, climate settings, vehicle location, and security functions through a smartphone application. The cargo area provides practical storage space for luggage, shopping, and daily necessities. Despite its luxury focus, the i7 remains a highly usable vehicle for everyday life. Expected pricing for the 2026 BMW i7 will vary depending on trim level and equipment. Entry-level versions are expected to start around $110,000, while fully equipped performance variants could exceed $170,000, although expensive. The i7 delivers technology, comfort, performance, and luxury that place it among the finest electric sedans available today. The 2026 BMW i7 represents more than just another luxury car. It demonstrates how electric mobility can enhance comfort, performance, technology, and sustainability without compromising the qualities that luxury buyers expect. For those seeking the ultimate combination of innovation, elegance, performance, and comfort, the BMW i7 stands as one of the most impressive vehicles on the road today. It is a glimpse into the future of premium transportation, and that future looks exceptionally promising.